Hi guys, let's try to understand the basic rotations of a Rubik's Cube. Okay, it has 6 faces and 6 colors. Blue and green are always opposite. White and yellow are always opposite. Orange and red are also opposite. Okay, now let's understand the rotations. When it's only R, it means clockwise. When there is an apostrophe next to the R, it means counterclockwise. So this is right and this is right inverted. So this is left and this is left inverted too. Okay, now this is front and this is front inverted. This here is back and this is back inverted, and this is up inverted, and this is down and this is down inverted. I have given the keynotes in the description below. So now if I tell you to do right up, right inverted, down, it will be right up, right inverted and down. Let's try another one. Now let's do left up, down inverted, right. So left up, down inverted, right. I hope you understand the basic rotations of a Rubik's Cube. Thank you. Yours, Surya.